My grandmother, we would play online Scrabble every day. One day she didn't play, and then I got a call from my mom later that afternoon, and it turned out she'd had a stroke. And the day before, I found out she had a tooth pulled because she had what's called gum disease, also known as periodontal disease, which is a very prevalent as we age. More and more people, about 75% of the Americans get it over the age of 65. And what happens is it shortens your lifespan, and it links strongly to other problems, not just tooth loss. So my grandma was a statistic, and she was one of the 50% of Americans that get a heart attack or a stroke after they get a tooth pulled or a dental implant placed. And I didn't want her to die and lose any more teeth, so I biohacked my grandma basically and came up with a solution for her mouth. And then couple years later, I rescued a Cocker Spaniel from a rescue up in central Washington. They told me she needed a dental. She was a Cocker Spaniel, so they have prone to dental disease and gum disease. And I'm like, okay, I got this. She smelled like death. You could smell her before they brought her in before I got her. Within 2 days after rescuing her, 21 teeth had to get extracted. Her body had to get pumped full of antibiotics and oral antibiotics as well, because she was almost dying of a bloodstream infection from her mouth. So this kind of lightning struck twice in my life. So I'm like, okay, this is a big problem. And so that's what we're focusing on at Primal.